morning, guys. So we've been home for over a month now, and today is a very special day. We haven't been vlogging for a while because we just kind of got back to our routine, like working and just hanging out with our families. And so today is my birthday, and Por's taking me to the beach. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video and keep watching.
Alright, what's up everyone? So we made it to our first stop. It's called Casa de Puta. So it's one of the stops that we usually make when we're heading towards Santa Cruz area, and it's just a nice place to stop, take a break, and just look at peacocks, and maybe just this little pond over here that has a whole bunch of turtles.
Sleepy.
What's up everyone? So we finally made it to our beach stop. So this place is called Davenport Pier. So this used to be a pier, but I guess they broke it down, and then now it's just abandoned, and there's a swing. They turned it into a swing. It's a little bit complicated to get down, so we're gonna walk around these trails to see if we can find any way to get down.
Okay, Por says we can do it, so let's go.
Yeah, because we've done worse in Krabi.
Really?
Yeah,
Where?
like the rock climb to that stupid viewpoint in Krabi. Yeah, it's a lot worse than this. And
Yeah.
we did it.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there's flip-flops.
I don't know why you're wearing flip-flops.
Because it's a beach day, door.
Careful.
Here, you should hold the camera.
Yes. Well, there's a little pathway right here, and there's actually a rope for you to hold on to. So it shouldn't be that bad. Just might be slippery. Just make sure you wear some shoes instead of flip-flops like Kelly. She's wearing flip-flops right now. Just hold on to that rope.
Alright, we made it. And it's just that couple over there and me and Por. So now we're going to go to a cove called Shark Fin, and this one for sure on Google is beautiful. So I think there's a lot of cars, but I think it's like a 2 or 3 minute walk. Let's go.
Alright, this is our next destination, Shark Fin Cove. It does look like a shark fin.
Oh, that's why?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I love it.
All right. Happy birthday, my love.
Thanks, baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you. Happy 25th. I love you.
I'm getting old, guys.
Not even old.
Thanks, babe. Wait, I had to make a wish. I had to make a wish.
Yes.
I wish for a nice wedding. So we went to this beach called
Booney
Looney or something like that. When we got up there, it's like a really far walk to the actual water. So then I tried to do my kick over there, but it's way too windy. And so we came in the car to do it. I'm getting tired, and we're gonna go home and eat some good food to end my birthday. So let's go. Now where's the rest of?
Yeah, she only brought like one piece cake for her.
Yeah, I'm only gonna eat the cream actually. Let's go.